Hello, and today we will be going over cleaning a condenser unit on a Lancer chiller machine. This is a Lancer chiller juice machine, and I just went over the condenser coil with my vacuum. I usually use my vacuum to get the heavy buildup off of the condenser coil, and then I'll go from there and spray some condenser coil cleaner onto the face of the condenser and use my condenser brush to brush down the fins and the on the condenser coil just to get any excess buildup off of the fins, and then you can go from there to complete the condenser cleaning. But you want to be sure that you give it a good brush down and use your vacuum to get any of the excess buildup off of the coil and off of the bottom of the coil and around the condenser fan and compressor area as well. After I spray it down and use my condenser brush, I'll use my flashlight to see if I can see the light through the other end of the condenser coil. That'll let you know that your coil is cleared. Usually if you have a really clogged up condenser, you won't be able to see the light through the other side. And here you can see that we can see through there very well. So that coil is cleared out. And then I'll go from there and then just wipe down the unit, wiping down the sides and the dispense heads and the compressor area and the condenser area. You want to wipe that all down, get all the dust up, and as best you can. A lot of it sometimes gets neglected, so when you do have that opportunity to get to all of these points, you can go ahead and clean it up, and then it's a little easier next time. And then I like to show you the water bath on these chillers. You want to also check your water bath to be sure that your Circulate pump is operating. As you can see, the water moving around in that water bath, that's showing you that the Circulate pump is operating. And when I do that, I also take a temperature reading with my thermometer to be sure that that water bath is at 32 degrees. So you always want to check on that. And then I put the machine back into position and make sure it's sturdy and level. And then place your insulated cover back on top of the water bath to cover that water bath and keep it insulated. It also cuts down on any foreign objects from falling into the water bath. So you want to make sure you have that insulated cover back on. And then from there you can go ahead and button up the machine and wipe it down once again. And that's all we have on cleaning the condenser on a Lancer chiller. I thank you all for watching.